The cross member's coming off. Strip that side, do all this side, but the steering rack has got to come off, partly because the hole in the boot is leaking. So it's coming off anyway for the refurb and the paint, but that's my next job. So what we need, piece of cake. Oh, little beaut. Won't do me. Go and release it from the top. Steering rack removed. That's the thing I've got to take off, because I dropped the jack on it when I first got it. So it's got to come off, be straightened, go back on again. The floor is bent up a bit there also, it needs sorting. Right, Alexa, music off. Too bloody noisy. Yeah, the floor's been bent up there, so that's got to be knocked back down. I'll have to do that. Anti-roll bar's got to come off, because that's bent as well. The jack was under there, it went bang, bang, so it's bent there. Done the radiator in as well, so I'll have to have a new one of them. Right.